everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply a suspension against a guardian. To enable the suspension feature, you can click on your settings menu and on your admin tab, and under admin configuration you will see suspensions. To apply a suspension to a guardian, you can go to the Guardian's Details page and click on the Suspensions tab. And you will then click here to create a new suspension. When creating a suspension for a guardian, the suspension type is account. It is mandatory to put a start date. You do not need to put an end date, but if you wish, you can do so. You also have the ability to remove any bookings that are linked to a child for that guardian in between a specific date range. So for example, you may want to enter in just for 3 days within that period. This will automatically remove any bookings for any child linked to this guardian during this time. You must enter a detail as to the reason why you're creating that suspension. Once you've completed the mandatory fields, you can click Save. You will then see the active suspensions listed for that guardian. To remove the suspension, you can either click on the action column on the red cross, or you can simply click on the suspension record and untick the active box and click Save. While a guardian has a suspension in place, they are unable to create bookings via the iParent portal. They are unable to waitlist via iEnroll, and a user is unable to create any bookings for a child linked to that guardian. When they attempt to create a booking within the suspension date range, they will receive this notification and will not be able to proceed with the booking. In shared care scenarios, the guardian number 2, that is the enrolment holder for the child, is still able to create bookings and use the iParent portal bookings and iEnroll functions if applicable. For further information on how to create a suspension for a guardian, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.